And first, the easiest way to do this is by creating an empty Git repository up on GitHub. So I'm going to come here, create new repository. I'm going to call this demo repo 2. Don't need a description. Going to leave all this here. Now I have another empty repository. So to start pushing here, I'm going to copy this and say git remote. Now remote means somewhere else but not on this computer. We're going to use this to add a reference to the remote repository on GitHub. And then I'm going to say add origin and paste that link that I copied. And I can check that by saying git remote-v, and it shows any remote repositories that I've connected to this repo. Now that these are set up, I can now use git push origin master just as I did before. Now there's a shortcut here.